This conference will
microcontroller.
now be
Okay,
recorded.
Right. So in yesterday's session, what exactly we have done is we have taken one lawn sprinkler and we try to control it. We know there are a few things or few ways to control this lawn sprinkler. The first way what we have seen was just to control manually. The second thing we have seen how to control this lawn sprinkler with the help of some interface, maybe by using a web application or by using some mobile app. And the third way we have seen how can I try to control a particular device by controlling some other device. I mean, communicating by controlling two different devices. And the fourth one we have seen is like how to control this lawn sprinkler by use controllers. Okay, so as an example, we have taken here a microcontroller. So these are the four ways to control a particular device, and these particular ways are common for all the mechanisms. Okay, so what we are gonna do in this uh, experiment is like we have chosen one PC server and a lawn sprinkler, and these three devices we have connected to a switch. And while connecting this, we have used copper straight cables. And whereas the lawn sprinkler is connected to microcontroller by using IoT console cable. Okay, and when connecting this lawn sprinkler, we have to use data specification whatever the lawn sprinkler is given. So according to the data specification of the lawn sprinkler, it says that we have to connect to D0 pin. Okay, so the D0 pin is used for connecting this lawn sprinkler to the microcontroller. Okay, so microcontroller have almost six digital pins and four analog pins. So as the lawn sprinkler works on digital, so we have to connect even to the D0 pin. Okay, by just simply dragging on this particular thing, we can see over here. Okay, so the first step is done. As a second step, we have to give the connections. Okay, the connections are also given. The third step is nothing but we have to assign IP addresses to server PC as well as a lawn sprinkler. Once we assign the IP addresses, we have to go to the fourth step. That is nothing but we have to bring one interface. Okay, so the interface we have chosen for the server. So what we have to do is before interface we have to make sure the server is on. So server should be active. Once the server is active, then you have to bring the interface. Once the interface is brought,
Hello, sir. No audio, sir. Hello. Hello. No audio, sir. Sir, not audible.
into the project, automatically what happens is okay, so you can see the name I have given to the project. Once the name is given to the project, I will be choosing my program. So I can write the entire particular window. You have to click on the main.py file. Okay, so this is the program what we have seen yesterday. Okay, so the program, what does this program says is, I know that
Sir, excuse me, sir.
for each and every what to call it as yes, yes,
Clear, sir.
yes, tell me.
Sir, getting echo, sir. Voice is not clear. Hello, sir. You,
Now is voice is clear now. Please, it's a respect what to call it as,
yes,
please
yes,
other
sir.
participants, please mute yourself because we are facing some audio problem. Okay, so please, it's a humble request to all the participants to mute yourself. Okay, uh, so what you can do is, this is a program where we have written the program for controlling the microcontroller. So this particular program contains three parts. The first part is nothing but simply importing the packages, different type of packages. The third one is a main function, we have to call it, and this is a function for controlling the sprinkler. Okay, so in this what we have done is this custom write. What does this custom write will do is, okay, it will try to activate. So what it is activating, it is try to activate one in the sense, we know that the lawn sprinkler has two digital features. One is lawn sprinkler is on state and the lawn sprinkler is in the off state. This one indicates that the lawn sprinkler is in on state, and this zero indicates that the lawn sprinkler is in the off state. So what this custom write is doing is, simply we are making sure that we are trying to on the sprinkler, and this particular one, whenever we are taking this one, the message will pass to what to call it as D0 pin of the microcontroller, and it will try to activate the sprinkler. Okay, the message is passed to the D0 pin of microcontroller, and in this case the micro, we are passing the zero, that is nothing but off state, to the D0 pin. So here what I am going to do is, I have taken some delay for on and off. Okay, whatever the delay that you are interested, that you can view here. So with this, what exactly happens is, we can try to control the lawn sprinkler over here. So this is a compiler, whatever the compiler is available. Simply what you do is, like already my program is running. So once you can what you can do over here is, simply click on the run. Okay, so the program will start controlling your microcontroller. Okay, so this is what we have seen in the yesterday's class. Okay, so if you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me, or else
Hello.
we'll go with the same concept, another program. We will be using the another what to call. Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Actually, when I executed this, when I
Yes,
run,
tell
when I
me,
click.
sir.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes. Yeah, you are
Hello.
audible, sir. Audible.
Actually, sir, when I run this program, no, so there is an error. Actually, what this is
Yeah.
error ki, in line 13, the name is not defined and like this. Should I share my screen?
Yeah, you share your screen to WhatsApp. Yeah, you can tell me, or else do one thing. What is your ID, sir? So
This is 38 038 038, sir. Hello. Hello. Sir, sir, I've shared. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, yes, I can hear your voice. Tell me.
Sir,
Hello?
sir, just sir, I have shared the screen actually.
Yes, yes, yes.
So the error is the name is not defined in the file main.py on line 13.
Yeah. You try to eliminate the main functions, or no problem.
Try to leave this
Hello?
one. Line 13. Should I delete this?
Yeah. Yeah, delete it and check it.
Then sir finished running, but it is not getting on.
I'll just share the program. You just take the program. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, am I audible to you?
Yeah. You are audible.
Yeah. Now, what I have already shared you one particular program. Only thing is, like, instead of hyphen, you have given underscore, I think so. Once, can you redo it? Can you redo that? Undo it?
Less than 5. Less than 5 means what are the digits will we get or not? 0, 1, 0, don't take 0. 1,
Sir,
2,
can you undo it once?
just 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
5.
Okay.
Don't take 0 means we are rounding off to 10, 100 and 1000. Then only we have 0. No?
Yes, sir.
So don't.
Main, you give underscore. If
Yeah.
name, yeah, that's right. That is equal
Sir,
to,
sir, 2 times
yeah,
underscore
there,
if you
yes,
do.
yes, yes. Yeah, yes. There also, there also.
Yes, sir.
Even there also, sir. If hyphen underscore name underscore equal to in double quotes,
Fine. Main.
yeah, underscore,
No.
even in the name, another name.
Another name means.
Sir, you see in your chat that I have given you the solution for that.
Okay.
Sir, once you check your chat, I have given the solution there.
Okay. Just a minute. Use 2 time underscore if name. Okay, fine. So that was that. No, this was I was already doing this the same thing, but it does. It's just if name. I'm getting the same error, sir.
Name is not defined in file main.py on the line. Sir, once you see here, two underscores are there.
Yeah.
Underscore,
Yes,
underscore,
sir.
name, underscore, underscore.
Yes, sir. Replace last two lines. Last two lines only problem. 2 times underscore.
2 times underscore.
Yeah, another one.
Yes. See chat box also.
Okay, okay. Just if name.
Click
Okay.
name. Yes. Underscore. Space.
This one.
Space first.
Okay.
Underscore double karo. Correct?
If space,
Then after
underscore,
if there should
underscore.
be space. That's wrong. After if space,
Not
then underscore. Give underscore.
तो
there.
दिया हुआ है.
दो बार देना है सर. One more underscore.
Okay, okay, fine.
After name also 2 times.
Okay, fine.
And in main also 2 times.
Okay, fine. Actually, it was not visible.
Okay,
Okay,
run.
thank you. Okay. Line 8. Okay, anyway, I'll try. This is line 8. Custom right is not defined in the file.
Right spelling.
Write capital.
Right, capitally.
Sir, you just go to that. I'll solve you
Okay,
personally.
fine.
I'll send you the program.
Fine. Okay, fine.
Okay, it's
Okay.
only
Anyway,
what to call
you
it as
continue.
some small.
Okay, fine. You can
Okay,
continue.
fine.
I'll just go through.
Okay. Anyway, so this is what actually we have seen in yesterday's class. Again, a small. I'll share you another small program. Please try to do this also. And a small notice. Am I audible for everyone now? Is my voice is clear?
Sir, it's done.
Sir.
Sir, it's done. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
Yes,
It's
sir.
done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So small change in today's schedule. Actually, we have scheduled from 10 to 12. But unfortunately, I have to close the session at 11 o'clock. And in the afternoon session, I mean, I'm just planning to take from 10 to 11 and from 12 to 2 because a small urgent meeting is there for me. Just now I got a call and it's really important actually. So if you
Yes, sir,
accept,
no
then
problem.
I'll go for that meeting.
Yes, sir, no issue.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
sir,
meeting is
sure,
also
sure.
actually, I want to throw a small question to all the faculty who are present right now. Yeah, the thing is, yesterday even some of our participants have called me and they were asking, "Ki sir, this academic session is going to start, or some colleges the academic session has already started. So we are facing one problem for the IoT lab. I mean, suppose example, if you take in AP and Telangana." There is in this particular semester in 3-1 third year first semester there is a subject called as Internet of Things. Now, okay, we can manage Internet of Things theory in the online session, but what about the practical session? How to conduct that practical session? So such type of question was coming. So yesterday we have a meeting with some of the universities, and I don't know whether you will accept or not. I just want to take suggestion from you whether what what's my plan is like, see, academic session is divided it into two parts, before midterm and after midterm. So what I gave suggestion is, sir, now anyway we are not sure whether the colleges will open or not. I mean, we have to go to the online classes itself. So my suggestion is like, for the first, before midterm, for the first part, we'll try to go and do IoT lab with the packet tracer. And if this COVID, if we come out of this particular situation, if it is possible, in the second session we'll try to go for the hardware part. Okay, so even if there is an hardware part, if suppose the same COVID condition is continuing, what happens? Then I said ki, if it is possible, there are simulators like Tinkercad. We can try to Tinkercad into the second, I mean, after the first phase. So I just gave this suggestion. So I just need some suggestions even from you. Can it will be, can is it possible? Can I mean, if I implement in this way, is there any problem that I'll be facing? I need some solution even from you people. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
nice idea. Yes,
sir.
yes, yes.
See,
Yes, sir.
even I'm from Pune. Actually, the same thing problem in our university also. So what we have planned that Raspberry Pi demos, actual demos like interfacing with actuators, sensors, will be doing online, because
Yeah.
professor will have kit at home or at college. So students will be at home, of course, for the time being. So those demos can be conducted online. They can show there really, okay, how the things are happening there.
Hmm.
And as far as the student participation is concerned,
Okay.
we can ask them to, as you suggested, the Tinkercad is a very good software actual tool. They can have the pin-up lab actually in Tinkercad with Arduino
Yeah.
and with sensors and actuators. That is also good.
Yeah.
That's what
Yes.
we have
We
planned
can even
actually.
create our own lab in Tinkercad also.
Right, right, sir.
Yeah.
And some
That's what
demos are
actually
actually done.
that is a problem for me also. So I think I'm getting nice response from people. So before hands-on fundamentals are necessary. Yeah, that's it. That's the reason I'm asking if any suggestions are there. Please let me give in the chat so that I will try to implement those things. Okay. So that's what actually I have sudden meeting with some chancellor of JNTU. That's the reason I have to leave at 11 o'clock. So I'm planning from 11 to 12. I'll just give the break, and once again I'll come back after 12 o'clock. We can continue in the second session 3 hours. Okay. So before
I
going
have one.
into the break, what I will try to do is let's take this example also. This is also one example, the same example of what we did
I
in
have
the
one query.
yesterday's
Hello, sir.
session. Okay, so please,
Sorry.
it's not only that one specific. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, 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 sir.
Sorry, sorry to disturb, sir. Actually, I have one very important query.
Yeah.
What is the main purpose of this? Because this is what the third tool I
Yes,
found because of this FDP, packet tracer IoT.
sir. What is the?
Because this IoT Cisco packet tracer, that because of I am attending, I got to know this IoT can be done because there is
Sir,
one IoT
actually, I'm
part is
really
there.
sorry. I can.
Hello,
Yeah,
hello, hello. Can you listen? Hello.
sir. Can you repeat the question because I'm not able to. Yes, 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 sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Your
So,
voice is not clear.
hello. Now, hello, hello.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Yeah. So, this packet tracer, can
Yeah,
we
yeah, yeah, yeah.
analyze
I can
the?
hear you. Tell me.
Yeah. With this packet tracer, IoT part, of course. Can we analyze the?
I don't know.
Uh,
I'm getting lots of disturbance. Sir, sir, we'll do one thing. You can call me personally. We'll discuss there if you have doubt, because I'm not able to hear any voice actually. It is so disturbing. Okay. I'm okay. So we'll go with this example. So what is this example? Here I have not added any new component. It is again the same mechanism. Only one thing I have brought over here is I have brought the garage door. Okay, so the specification of the garage door are nothing but the same way. Again, it can be used on the, we can register on the server. Again, it is used to in and out the carbon dioxide as well as carbon monoxide. Again, the direct control here is by using alt click. Only one thing that I want to know is like the controls. Okay, so I can connect this to MCU. Yes, this is, yeah, and I have to write for this particular function by using custom write API. We have to control this particular garage door, and the data specifications are nothing but, again, I have to use the input D naught, and 0 is nothing but the closed state, and 1 is nothing but the open state. So these are nothing but, these are the few specifications that we should know before operating the garage door. So here what exactly it is happening is, okay, so now what you can do over here is the same, all the points are same whatever we have done in the previous case. Okay, you make this server as a register server, and you just write the program on this microcontroller. I'll just give you another sample program what I have written. You can go through this particular program. Again, the same thing what we have done is I have used the custom write API, and in this custom write API, again the same thing, whatever the, I mean the logic also even the same logic what we have used for the previous case. Okay, so please once you try even this particular program, I'll just give you 5 minutes time. Please try to complete this program. Actually what I want is while other people are doing this one, if someone can show your screen and can do in front of us, so that it will be very useful for us. Okay, so I just want to repeat this once again. If anyone who is interested to do live, okay, where are the sample, I'll tell you, screen is not shared, sir. Can we use Cisco Packet Tracer for traffic analysis and delays in IoT application? Yeah, that is also there, sir. You can explore that. The analysis part also I'll tell you. Okay, analysis part also, once this part is done, analysis part also I'll tell you. Okay, I'll take any one example, and I'll tell you how to analysis it, so that you can go for the traffic analysis or some other case. Yeah, I'll do it. One small street light example is already available. We'll do that. Okay, so please everyone, please complete this particular task. Okay, I need other faculty to complete this task. Is there anyone who want to share your screen so that you can do live in front of us? Connections, the connections are same as what we have done in the yesterday's case. Okay, you take a PC, you take server, you take switch, microcontroller unit, as well as a garage door. Okay, so the same thing, first you connect all the components. The second one is give all the connections like wired connections. Okay, only you use here this garage door to MCU, you use IoT custom cable. Okay, and even the pin numbers are D0 and D0.
बरं आहे का? बोला ना तुमचा मेल बघितला आता.
Sir, if any query is there, please let me know in the chat, because I'm getting disturbance, so that I can try to solve that.
आपले डिपार्टमेंट reviewing the status and utility of departmental library. कोणाचा आलाय हा email?
Where is garage door? Okay, so garage door is available on the end devices. Just click on the end devices in the home. Okay, you can see there is a garage door.
plan आहे तर
in the end devices. Okay, in the device called as home, there is garage door. Yeah, 31 I'm not able to view screen. I think I have shared my screen, sir. Once refresh your GoToMeeting so that you can try to check it.
Sir, can you give me an organizer? This is Rajesh. Thank you, sir. You can carry on your session.
Okay. So done. Anyone at least who have completed
Yes, sir.
94, ma'am? Are you done with the connections?
Yes, sir. Ye-
Is connection part is done, ma'am? Yes. Okay. Completed. Yes, fine. Okay, just will give 2 minutes time so that others will also complete this.
Sir, where we get garbage door, sir?
Yeah, where we get
Garbage that door,
Garage door.
garbage garage door,
garbage door, garage door.
garage door, sir.
Yeah,
Sorry,
just click on end devices under home. Yeah, click on end
And
devices. Then you click on home.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see
Okay,
there.
sir.
There is some speaker is available, right? And near to the speaker, you can.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw that one. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, connection parts. I'll do one thing. Shorter span of time. I'll just tell you. You choose one garage door. Other parts what I have chosen is one hub. Then I'll go with a PC, server, go to microcontroller, MCU. Okay, so these are the different parts, components I have chosen, sir. 83. Now I'll go with the connections. In the connections part, go to cross straight through cable, connect server fast Ethernet to switch any of the cable, whatever you are interested. And next one is PC fast Ethernet to this one switch, and the same cable from switch to the garage door. For the garage door, we know that there are two input slots. One is fast Ethernet and D0. We have to give the fast Ethernet. And now garage door as well as MCU, we have to use IoT custom cable. Okay, this D0 to the microcontroller D0 pin. So these two steps are done. Server, I'll assign IP address. Go to configuration, fast Ethernet, static 2.2.2.1, subnet mask. Even for this, I'll give configuration, fast Ethernet 2.2.2.2, and for garage door, fast Ethernet 2.2.2.3. Okay, once IP addresses are set, now I have to register the server. For registering the server, click on the server, go to services. Under services, there is tab called as IoT register server. Once the server is registered, I have to bring interface. So bringing interface, I have to click on server, go to desktop, go to web browser, and we have to give the IP, 2.2.2.1. So this is the first time I'm using here. So I have to sign up this. So you have to give any user ID and password. I'm just giving admin and admin. Once I click on create, now the interface is ready. Once the interface is ready, now I have to bring this interface. Okay, so I'll bring this garage door into the interface. So click on the garage door and go to configurations, under settings, IoT server, the remote server. This is 2.2.2.1, the remote server address, and the user ID is admin and the password is admin. Okay, so you can connect it. Once you connect it, you can see the interface. The interface is ready. You can see on my screen that garage door is opening and closing, but this is not the main part. The main part is nothing but we have to write the Python program. So for writing the Python program, just go to MCU, click on the MCU, and go to programming, create a new project, click on new. So you give the name of the project, anything. I'm just giving as PRO GECT project, and the template I already said you that you can choose any one other language whichever you are interested. So I'm using Python script, so I'll just create it. Okay, so once the project, okay, so project will click on the main function and you write the program over here. Okay, so this is the process. Fine, I hope everyone has. Yeah, can I go for the next program? Yes. Okay, fine. Fine. Yes, now am I clear? Now I think my voice is clear. Can anyone tell me what is the main difference between microcontroller and single board controller? Yes, what is SBC? Single board. Okay, so anyway, you just go through this microcontroller and micro SBC single board controller. That is nothing but it is one of the microprocessor. Okay, so microprocessor, I think maximum people knows it is nothing but a single CPU which has only registers, some sort of ALU. These are things are available, and for that we need to have some extra RAM, extra storage. Okay, so this is nothing but the main what to call it as door and MCU are not connected, sir. Door and MCU not connected in the sense, please use custom cable. Custom cable. Just use custom cable. Yeah. Connect D0 to, okay, D0. Fine. Okay, fine. Okay, sir. See, once you see the futures of what to call it as door, okay, see, even in the sprinkler, what we have done is we have seen only two different cases, that is on state or either the sprinkler is in the off state. Okay, but just to see the specifications of door also. So the door specifications are nothing but see the controls. Actually, we have to controls. You see the door specification. Yeah, door have properties like door can open, yeah, door can close, door is unlock, and the door is lock. These are the four different what to call it as controls, I mean the operations that we can see. Okay, door can be open, door can be closed, door is lock, and door is unlock. So for using this one, you see here how to control the door. Alt click on the keyhole to lock or unlock. Okay, and alt click on the door to open. You can see here I'm just clicking in alt and I'm just clicking on the door. It means that when I click on this, the door is open now. Okay, alt click, the door is open and close now. So this is nothing but door open and door click. Whereas door lock and unlock is nothing but you just click on the knob. There is a small green color knob you can see. Okay, click on that particular knob. Sorry. Okay, again skipping. Okay, you can see now the door is locked. Okay, even if you click on the door is not opening. It means this means the red color whatever you are seeing over here, this is nothing but the door is locked, and even if I click on the door, it is not opening. Okay, so these are the four different features of a door. Suppose example, if I want to unlock it, again just click on alt and click on the red color knob. So now the door is open. Now see you can see now I can open the door by clicking on the door. I can open the door. So these are the 4 different features of a door. Okay. So now once we know the features of the door, okay, now you can have the same what to call it as so-called mechanism what we have seen in the microcontroller. Only the thing is like you have to change the program. Okay, I'll just give you the program also. Okay, so this is a program again. So this time what actually we have 4 different modes are available. You can see here custom, right? The first 0, this first 0 will simply indicate whether what to call it as this will indicate a D0 pin. All the first one in the custom, right? First 0 is indicating me a D0 pins, D0 pin. And the second one is the condition for the door open. And the second, this is for the door. Okay, whether the door is open or not. The third parameter is nothing but whether the door is locked or unlocked. Okay, so you can use 4 different conditions. Now you see here the conditions we can see once. Okay, you see, yeah, see now with this what you can see here. Okay, so the first one is 0 and 0. 0 and 0 is nothing but the door is closed and even the door is unlocked. Door is closed and the door is unlocked. Second one is door is closed and the door is locked. Here the third custom right point, the door is open and it is unlocked. Okay, and the fourth one, that is nothing but the door is open
and
and it is locked. So these are the 4 different parameters.
Sir, you are not audible, sir. Hello.
No, no, I was not speaking actually. I'm just waiting for other people to answer me. Any doubt in this experiment? So now we know how to do this one. What I'll do is, please, yesterday someone requested me other thing also. I'll just post that particular program in WhatsApp group so that okay, by the time I mean, if you are interested in working right now, you can complete the task yesterday we have gone with the smoke detectors and all the stuff. Please try to complete the task. Okay, so yesterday someone requested me regarding that. Yeah, you can check this particular program. Sir, garage door is not opening when Python program is finished running. Sir, see, if any device is not working, make sure that whether you see here, if I take example of this garage door itself. Okay, if I take example of this garage door, you just go to once the physical specification tab and see whether the door is in the on state or off state. Okay, so now in the physical, you can see here whether the button is on or off. Okay, you see whether the door is on. Green color means the door is on. If it is not, what to call it as, there will be a problem. Okay. Check whether the door is on or off. Okay, you can control this by clicking on and off button. Yeah, yes, can we continue in the afternoon session? Because it's really I'm really sorry that I have actually planned from 10 to 12, but due to some problem I have to leave. I'll join once I have done with that work. I'll come back and I'll join. I'm really sorry for that. Okay.
Sir,
Hello, sir.
sir, 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 can I speak?
Sir, tell me.
Sir, I'm getting an error that bad input, custom write 0, comma,
Yeah,
that line I'm getting error, sir.
what, sir? What is the doubt? Custom, right?
I'm getting bad input in file main.python on line 6. That line 6 is custom write, no, so that's that error I'm getting. Bad input,
Yeah,
and it is getting.
you check here whether the whether you have given in custom, right? Whether you have given space or not, you just check it once, sir.
I've given space, sir.
CO you have given. Can you send me the screenshot? Can you just send me the screenshot of your this thing, so that in WhatsApp you send me the screenshot so that I'll see your doubt there.
Okay, sir, I'm sending.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
sorry
ma'am.
to disturb on last moment. Sir, actually, if I'm not
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
on server,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, if I'm not getting on server desktop, when we go that, if I'm not getting that condition of IoT device there on server, when we click on the desktop
Okay.
option, if I'm not getting the if
What
I'm
you do
not
is
getting
click
that,
on server.
okay,
You are
yes,
not
sir.
able to register the server.
No, I'm able to raise that. I have done with the Python program also, but I'm not able to see that, the IoT server devices when we are
Okay.
able to see on server desktop option.
Yeah, this one, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right, sir. This is not I'm able to see this IoT.
This you are not able to see means, do one thing,
Yes.
ma'am. Just to register this door to the server. Just to click on door. Click on
Okay.
door. Go to configurations. Okay. Under settings, you make it as IoT server as remote server.
That I have already done, sir. IoT server and remote server, then giving the server address with username and password. But I'm not, when I'm clicking on connect button, no, I'm not getting this refresh button, which is on your screen. I think some step is missing maybe.
When you are clicking on connect button,
Okay, I have given my. Okay, got it, sir. Got it, sir.
got it, ma'am?
Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. I'll just join you as soon as possible. I'll let you know. We'll start at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock because afternoon session I'll be taking 3 hours of class. Okay. So I'm really sorry actually. Uh,
Sir, your voice is not clear.